Hello, Clammy. I married Scam and I love her. I'm so yaldy. I'm stuck in Scarlet. She will be mine. What the fuck? Well, hello, me. I'm married now. I love those oldest twins. Oh my gosh, you should stop me. Let me out of here. While others clone me, that's a surprise. Also, I hate mangoes. People are telling me I'm fine as version of me Conway. I don't say that word.